Alright, today I'm going to show you how you make quick breakfast using mixed vegetables, salmon, bit of garlic there, 2 eggs. I've got mustard and mayo for the sauce. That's my salad right there. And a banana. Alright, once the pan is hit, put all the mixed veggies. I've got green in there as well for gourmet. Arangwade gourmet in Dagarbe. Smoky. Alright, I'm going to take it off for a bit. Then add garlic. I take it all the way down to 2. So I got more time to do other things. But while it starts cooking, gonna make the sauce. It's basically mixing the mayo and the mustard with a bit of oil and salt. That does the trick. I'm gonna take it out. And the eggs, I'm not gonna mix the eggs, but I ain't got time for that. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. It gives a different flavor anyway. So I'm mixing them all. Alright, it's cooking slowly. Bananas. So got the salmon. Can't make the sauce as well. But the banana. Alright, to make the sauce, 1 spoon of mayo, half a spoon of mustard. I'm gonna put them in this cup to mix it together. And I've got the olive oil and the banana. So now mix these. Got the olive oil in there as well. Yeah, if I don't jawazi, pada langiri. Meat tali na rarif na barban. So it's all mixed. So this, I'm gonna put it back a little bit to reheat it. But it's basically done. Got my wrap. Gonna put the sauce. So it's all mixed and ready. So put it in the wrap. A bit more. And that's it. So I cut it in half. And this is it. Breakfast wrap. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, share.